What about you, CJ Units in Randallstown? Just having a little bit today here. See what's happening. Oh, it's the back out pub there, so it is actually. Private party, please use front bar. Right, that lovely seat there, beautiful.
Spying on things.
Pardon, lad?
Yes, are you spying on things?
Well, put it like this, I'm not into stealing anything.
Not much to steal.
Yeah.
I don't want a photo of me.
Pardon? No, don't touch me, don't touch me.
No, I don't want a photo. I don't want a photo of it.
Pardon?
I don't want it on the camera.
Well, you're ready on it, lad.
What are you doing? What's it, right?
Pardon?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Aye. No, what are you taking pictures of?
What am I taking pictures
Aye,
of?
what are you photo? Aye, just.
Oh, just anything I can see, lad.
Why you? I'm just asking. Just
Why not? Why not?
Why no? I'm just. Are you doing a hobby or what? There?
Oh, well, it might be a hobbyist.
Oh, good job.
You know. Here, could I ask you something? Do you, just by the way you're dressed, do you work for the funeral directors?
I do, yes.
How much is it for an average,
Hard to know. It always varies.
Right,
I don't deal with ends with it.
Oh,
No.
hey, don't touch me, man. Don't touch it, mate. Don't touch the camera now, come on. Be civil, be civil, no, I won't.
No, please turn. I'm camera shy. Turn
Well,
off.
that's alright, mate. Don't come to the camera, walk away.
You're following me.
No, I'm not following you. I'm walking that way. I'm walking in the general direction that you're walking in. Yes, do what you like, man. Just don't touch my stuff again. Just don't touch my stuff. You did. You did. It's on camera, man. You've no need to tell me to turn it off.
Just don't video me.
Pardon?
Just ask you not to video me.
Well, I'm videoing you now because for my safety. Because you tried to put your hands on it. What do you think of them wee onions? If you'd have walked on and minded your own business. Pardon? Pardon?
Right, that's okay. No,
Yes, and I told you. Right, but that's okay. And I told you that I didn't need your help. There's no need for that, mate. There's no need for that, man.
What are you here for?
Pardon?
What are you here for?
Oh, so
Why are you here?
do you want me to be honest with you? I'm taking pictures. Now, don't come close.
I'm not coming.
Don't come close now, please.
You have to leave the property, please.
Yes, well, that's okay.
This is private.
There's no signs up to say it's property. Actually, well, listen here, you're standing too close. I'm going to stand back. Relax. Relax. Relax.
What's your first name?
My name is Good Citizen.
No,
So it is. Please stop approaching me. Please stop approaching me. Listen what I'm telling you here. Listen, I will leave. I'm not.
We have things to do, personal things to do.
Well, I'm not in your way. Am I hindering what you're doing? I'm not hindering what you're doing.
We're doing something.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Just move on.
Go about your business.
Well, you're not. Why are you here?
I'm taking pictures of
What are you taking pictures of?
everything I can see.
Well, there's plenty of places to take.
Yes, I know there is, and this is one of them.
This is a private funeral.
Don't stand behind me, please. Don't stand behind me.
I can stand on.
Now, mate, you make me feel.
No, you can't stand.
We're not taking this body out till you move.
Well, that's.
You don't fuck it up. We get the police on you.
Well,
What do you want to do?
Well,
Move!
no, I won't.
Move
If you're going to get aggressive, I won't.
No,
But
please,
I've
move.
already
That's
told
nice.
you.
Please move.
I've already told you I will go.
Well, go.
I will go.
We're
Yes.
not moving this body out of this till
In
you
my
go.
own time. I'm not going to film the body. I'll have respect.
Please,
I
you
have
no
respect.
whenever you're doing this.
Yes, mate.
Give respect for us.
Listen, lads. Listen. Here's the thing.
No, please, I'm just asking you to do it.
Jeez,
I'm just
Ken,
asking-
and
just
the
asking
argument.
you to
Now,
move.
don't be putting it any
Hold
closer
on,
to me.
hold on.
I'm warning you.
Hold on, sorry.
I'm warning you.
sorry.
Do
I
not
don't know,
step
I'm
into my
not-
space.
just-
Please do not step into my
do not
space.
touch me.
Do not step into my
Do not
space.
touch me. I'm saying to you now, I'm saying, please.
Now,
turn
I've
off.
warned you in several.
You warned us.
I've warned you in several
Turn her off.
occasions.
Turn off.
Get out of my
I'm calling the
space.
police now.
Get out of my space.
I'm calling the police now.
Wow. Absolutely wow. Yeah, so this is Marion's funeral home.
Police, please. Hello, Sparky here. Do business here, no man sitting at face, which we cannot. I've asked you to leave the premises 2 or 3 times.
I'm leaving.
Not do it. And
I'm
he
leaving.
refused to do it. He says it's
No, I didn't refuse.
the police are going to come in there, totally out of the premises. I'll tell you a foot off now.
Tell the truth.
He's in federal. He's in in Triple place, we're in with a dead person into the Undertaker, and he's not getting out of the road.
I told you I'm leaving. I told you I'm leaving.
I'm taking the foot off now to show him to you. So.
Why are you telling lies? I said I am leaving. I told you I will leave, yes. I'm not refusing to leave.
He's, look, no, he's not. It's very private. He's a dead person. We have to take him to get prepared, and he's not moving. We asked him to stand away, give us privacy, and he's not doing it.
I told you I will give you privacy, and I won't film what you're doing. Why are you telling lies?
Yes.
Why are you telling lies? Why are you telling lies to the police?
I don't know. He's a stranger. I do not know.
Now this guy's just telling lies to the police here after he's tried to assault me. Do you tell the police that you tried to assault me?
He's just been a nuisance. He's not aggressive or anything like that. Just we need privacy for what we're doing. I just want him to move out of the way, and he's not doing it. He just wants to stand to the foot.
I'm giving you privacy. Yeah, folks, I haven't refused to leave. Wow, that could have been hairy there, like. That could have been a hairy there, look. Yeah. Yeah, folks, I'll let him go and phone the police there. Disclaimer, what's this disclaimer say? Owners of this property loss for loss, injury, damage. Yeah. Yeah, so obviously I'm not going to film. This would be their property line here, see that? Anyway, they have asked me to leave. I did say I was leaving, so technically now I have left. Yeah, so they phoned the cops, so well, it'll be interesting to see if the cops come on what other lies he's told them while on the phone. Now, I'm not going to film a body, folks. That's a bit morbid. But yeah, there's no need for him to come into my face and try and grab the camera. You know how it goes. So yeah, folks, funeral home here. Two guys coming in my space. What's all that about? Oh, hi. This is a shared alleyway, folks, by the way. This is shared to the back of the Marion's bar here. Look. This is shared alleyway. There's no signs on the gates down there to say that I can't come in. So, you know the crack. They did ask me to leave, and I will leave. So yeah, folks, I'll read this one up, and if anything happens, I will bring you back. So yeah, from CJ Audits here in Randallstown at Marion's funeral directors, where somebody else could have been going in a box today. All the best. Take it easy. Oh man, and as always, may the force be with ye.